Good morning, this is Bryan with Casualty Powersports. We are a proud distributor of Bikeman products. We're going to talk about the Pro R once again, and we are going to install this kit real soon. It is going to take the car from 225 to 300 horsepower. This is the Stage 3 kit. Comes with a muffler, comes with cams, comes with the intake tubes, and it comes with a clutch fan. It also comes with springs, helix, and weights, which we will share with you shortly. We are going to talk about the clutching that comes with the Bikeman kit. It's going to come with 2 springs, extra weights, and a helix. So the reason for these 2 weights is we're going to add more weight or less weight depending on the configuration of your car for the horsepower gain, which is about 75 horsepower that we're going to add using the Bikeman cams. The helix is going to change the ramp angle to give us more pressure on the belt to spin the 35-inch tires along with the extra horsepower that we're going to add to the car.